Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fold the Harpoon missile by Jason Merrill. So yeah, you can mount it on the Falcon and the Griffin. So I'm going to do this as quick as I can. So let's get started. Now I already have some creases pre-creased. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fold it in half. Just pinch the top part, fold that up. Fold this down to that point. And fold that down and fold that back up. Like that. Now you should have this. So yeah, now you're going to fold this over. Fold that over. To that edge. And unfold it and rotate it. You're going to want to squash fold that down along that line, or swivel, whatever you want to call it. And then you want to fold this to that line that we made earlier and fold that back over. So first you want to, inside reverse fold this flap. And then swivel fold this at the bottom. Wait. So you want to do that by mounted folding this edge in. And then, using the crease you made earlier, swivel fold that down, swivel fold that over until it gets this shape, and then just push that, slide that over like that. Then you want to squash fold this flap and mount and fold that edge under. And fold this over like that. And squash. Fold it. Yeah. And squash fold it like that. Sorry that took me so long. Then fold that over and then fold this to that edge. Fold that edge to that edge. and fold that back to the original edge. Fold that to the previous crease. Fold it over. And over again. And flip that over and repeat that process to this side. So just squash fold that flap. Fold that flap over. Then inside reverse fold this one. Fold that under. And squash fold this. Fold that under. Slide that over. Fold that over. Squash fold it. And yeah, then fold that over, fold that over, fold that to that side, and that to that crease you just made, and then that over that edge. And then you fold that over till it goes to the center. And then you can narrow pinch or just pinch the point. That's what I like to do to make it sharper. Open that, open the canard fins up. Open that canard fin up. And open the tail fins. And there is the Harpoon missile. Now you can just slide this in to the missile racks to attach it. Now this wasn't my neatest attempt, but yeah, that's it.